as usual, this was a normal Sunday and we wanted to explore our village, the place where we have not explored. Since it is COVID-19, we are unable to go on a long drive. In too many days that we have taken our bike, so I called my friends and they showed up, and then we went a little bit ahead, and then we decided we will go inside the village. So we live in a place called KORLURU, so that belongs to Skote. So we said, okay, let's explore this part. We have never been to this place. Okay, we entered into that, and as and when we entered, we could see a nice beautiful people tree with a small temple beneath it, and then we could see a lot of kacha houses which you don't easily get to see when you're in a city side. But then this is a little bit of small urban area, and when we passed, the road was so narrow it felt like we were in Goa, and then a lot of twists and turns, and it did not make me miss what my bike can do. My bike is an adventure tourer, so we were doing a little bit of small off-roading as well. The previous night before, I think it was raining, and there is Amit, he was not able to go because of his tire size. When we went ahead, we did a lot of off-roading in that mud area, and then you could see a small tunnel there that leads to Saukya. Saukya is a rejuvenation center in Kolrur. So that's on the other side, and the other side is this. When you go ahead, you could see a lot of farmlands, a lot of crops on either side, on the left and then the right side. So the place felt like a deja vu, because in our college days we used to mass bunk and then go all this way by walk. I can't even imagine you could go so far. We went a little bit ahead, then I could see on my left there is a small hill kind of a place. Then I told Amit, let's do one, then let's go see, there might be a lake or a water or a pond, man-made pond. And I was just curious, and then we took a U-turn suddenly, and then we wanted to go on the hill.
I think there is a lake, man, small pond.
To my surprise, I was really surprised. I've never expected anything there. Ta-da! There is actually a road. The road starts from nowhere and ends nowhere.
Yeah, I think it's a runway.
Literally nowhere. The road extends almost about 1 kilometer. It's made with a concrete. You can see how concrete, and it's actually really big road, and almost around a kilometer. So we went ahead to see what's there on the other side, and the other side, as expected, there was a cliff. It was leading to nowhere, and this was only a road in the middle of an entire, the agricultural land. So I'll just give you a small bird view of how it looked. There is all greenery everywhere, and this is the route. The other half of the route is here. You can see how long it is. It's like almost like 1 kilometer, and that's how it looks. It starts from nowhere and ends nowhere, and after that we started having fun. Hope you like this video. Do visit this place if you want to explore nearby places, and if you like more videos something like this, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great time.